Understanding relationship terms. Boyfriend and girlfriend. Hello everyone, welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we are focusing on the topic of family and relationships, more specifically, under marital and relationship terms. Our subtopic for this session is boyfriend and girlfriend. By the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of these terms and how to use them in various contexts. Firstly, let's define the terms. A boyfriend is a term used to describe a man who is in a committed romantic and/or sexual relationship with another person. This person can be a woman or a man, depending on the context of the relationship. On the other hand, a girlfriend is a woman who is in a committed romantic and/or sexual relationship with another person. This person can be a man or a woman, again depending on the context of the relationship. Now, let's understand how to use these terms in sentences. 1. This is my boyfriend, John. In this sentence, the speaker is introducing John as their boyfriend. 2. Do you want to meet my girlfriend later? Here, the speaker is asking someone if they want to meet the speaker's girlfriend. 3. I don't have a boyfriend right now. In this example, the speaker is stating that they currently do not have a boyfriend. 4. She's not my girlfriend, she's just a friend. This sentence highlights a common distinction made between a girlfriend and a friend who is a female. While boyfriend and girlfriend are common terms, you may also hear variations like partner or significant other. These terms are often used to be more inclusive, as they don't specify gender and can be used in various types of relationships. Here are some common questions you may hear or ask. 1. Do you have a boyfriend? A question asking if the person is in a romantic relationship with a man. 2. Who is your girlfriend? A question asking the identity of the person's girlfriend. 3. How long have you and your boyfriend been together? This question asks about the duration of the relationship. 4. Where did you and your girlfriend meet? A question inquiring about where the person first met their girlfriend. That wraps up our session on boyfriend and girlfriend, terms in English. Remember, language is dynamic and terms can change or have different meanings in different cultural or social contexts. Practice using these terms in sentences to become more comfortable with them. Stay tuned for our next session where we will continue exploring the fascinating world of English language vocabulary. Happy learning!